Another day, another dollar. Today we're going to do an oil change on a 2018 Toyota Corolla with the 1.8 liter. Here's some of the tools you're going to need. Of course, a ratchet. It's a little dusty. The drain bolt size 14. I was using this one, but it broke on me. 14. Never seen this happen before. Let me know in the comments. Ever seen that happen before? You're gonna need some sort of like oil filter ratchet. I don't know what they're called, honestly. Let me know in the comments too. Your oil filter. Some of these Toyotas take like another type of filter, but mine takes this type. This oil filter. Cartridge? Canister? A canister. This is a canister. So I'm taking that other type. And of course your oil. Got it on Denscal too. So yeah. No, I'm just kidding, guys. You need this oil. It's a 020. Mobile 1 Advanced Clean. I got high hopes for this one. Hope it's like the Volvoline Restore and Protect. We'll see how this one does. Looks like pretty good stuff. Alright, let's get to it. Before I start any oil change, I like to remove this, this cap right here. Goes right here. Just like to remove it. And the drain plug, the dipstick. I forgot it. Sorry, guys. The dipstick, just for better airflow. Alrighty. Here we are underneath the car. So the location, there's your oil pan. It's metal. Your drain bolt right here, and your oil filter. So let's remove that. Not making a mess. Yeah, the oil looks pretty black, but it was past due a little bit. Or you're gonna need one of these bad boys too. Forgot to mention. Let's see if I can do this one. Usually need a ratchet, but I'm pretty strong, so I can just remove up my fingertips. Okay, that was kind of successful. Look how black that oil was, guys. I know you guys see people on YouTube, they like to play around with the oil. But not me really, guys. So yeah, just let it drain out. I like to usually maybe wait, let it drain out really good before I start putting in any other oil or any of that stuff, really, so I can get all the stuff out. Yeah, just without drain, let's get this filter ready. Granny filter. I don't usually pre-fill this one because how the oil filter position is. Can't really pre-fill it or none of that. But I like to put oil around this O-ring. A gasket, I guess. More like a gasket. Righty. Just like that. This will be the oil filter number. Okay. After letting it drain for a little bit, go ahead and tighten it all up. Put the new oil filter on. You never want to use a wrench, oil filter wrench. That's the tool. I want to use those over here. make it harder for the next guy. So just nice and tight, hand tight. I don't know exact torque numbers for this. You can search them up online though. I do need a ratchet for this step though. Tying it up. Make sure it's all tight. And we'll check for leaks later on in the video, but right now make sure it's all tight, ready to go. Tight, but not too tight. I get a little paranoid sometimes, but all right. See you up top. I got this cool tool from Harbor Freight. It's not really, I guess it's kind of a tool. It's pretty cool. This car takes 4.4 quarts, US quarts. And we'll check it. We put a little bit of this stuff, and we'll also check out for leaks underneath to make sure everything is going smoothly. It's pretty cool. Yeah, getting caught on clearance. It's pretty, I like it. So yeah, just pour your oil in there, nice and slow. We put a good amount in there, so I'm gonna go underneath the car to check out if there's any leaks. Underneath the car and absolutely no leaks. I think we did a good job, guys. Yep. Looks good. Let's go finish up. Just keep on pouring. Heck yeah, I really recommend this tool, guys. Get some oil gets stuck right there, but no mess. Look at that. After you put oil, the next step is you got to go inside and turn on the car, let it run for about 30 seconds to get that oil flowing. Then we'll check for leaks again and check out our dipstick and make sure everything's going well. All right, let's turn on the car. And just let it run for 30 seconds. You can see it's already needed an oil change. Let's see, what was the last time since I did my oil change? I like to put them right here. 7,000 miles. I'll teach you guys here in a minute how to reset it. I kind of forgot to, but don't you worry, I'll figure it out, guys. How many miles do your guys' dailies have? Let me know in the comments. Alrighty guys, back outside. I checked the oil, it's all good, the level's okay. Checked underneath the car, there's no leaks, and it's all good. We did a good job. Next step is just to dispose of this oil properly. Usually like to take it to AutoZone. And that's it. I'll make another video addressing how to reset the oil mileage light, because it's a few steps there too. I don't want to make this video too long. Anyways, that was it. Pretty straightforward. And well, God bless you guys. You guys take care.